Crude oil and net gas both have started the week with a little recovery, with a little rise, and we have seen oil moving and we have seen oil hitting $68 levels here, now trying to erase some of the gains, while natural gas has also moved on the upwards towards 4.22. What to expect now from oil and gas in the day with the Asia session, Europe session, and US session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Also, this is the first update. For the next update will be released before the US session for oil and gas. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch it. If you look at the oil prices on the early charts, connect this, you will find higher lows are seen. And now it is very important for oil to trade below 66. That is the only level below which you can say now it is turning bearish. In fact, even if you see it is staying below 66.8, take a sell for 66.5, 66.4 and then 66. If at any point of time oil trades below 66, we can expect the bears to take over. Now connect the highs as well and you will find the highs now at 68.4. 68.5 are definitely going to be critical resistance here, and thus as long as 68.4 68.5 is not taken, we have to be watchful here. Now see, this is a consolidation or a retracement. I have mentioned this. See, double bottoming is done, and since the double bottom, we have also shared that it might move towards double top. That is the zone at 68.4 68.6. But look at the formations here. It has formed a reversal sign after a narrowing neck here on the Bollinger Bands. Price is traded bullish. Now it is trying to retrace and it can still bounce back. It has expanded the bands here, which suggests there could be an up move. Stock IST has dropped. The MACD is green after the crossover. The RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, see the rise here, the retracement. Ideally, this was trading bearish still here, but now what has happened after consolidation? It has given a breakout, which is a good sign for the bulls. And now see the moving averages again is starting to diverge. This suggests at least till 66.8 today we should not be initiating a selling position, and then also the most important support zone till towards 66.5 66.2 exists. And that is why I say only bearishness in crude oil is if you see it is staying below 66. Now see the stock IST looking downwards here, while the MACD after retracing has crossed over, trading with little divergence, little bullishness, looking upwards. Signs are supportive of bulls here. The RSI has dropped. Coming to 3 hour chart. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, what has happened here? See, this could become a reversal here. Look at the price taking the elevated elevation here, taking the rise here. It is closed at the bottom. This could become a reversal sign. I will wait for the closure of the next candle, because see, after series of bullish candle it is closing in red, and when the next one starts, and if you see also there is a gap, if you see it is staying below 66.8, we can expect slight bearishness to prevail. Now notice, even as long as now 66 is not taken, we should not be treating crude oil as bearish. That is pretty clear. It has lot much of bullishness left. Look at the moving averages. These have now crossed over on the buy side, and see this crossover is appearing after a little more time. Look at the last crossover that was on the buy sell side here. Now it is crossing over on the buy side, which is a very good sign for further rise. Stock IST comfortable. The MACD also now crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish. The RSI is running flat. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, if you look at similar observation, now moving average is convergent. Also look at the most slight gap up here, one bullish candle, then a swing, and the current candle looking upwards, which suggests that there is still bullishness here. And thus I will say, even if you now see oil trading beyond 67.6, we can initiate a buying entry, expect 68, 68.4. And if 68.4 is taken, then the next is 69, 69.3, and then 70.2, 70.4 possibly. Stock IST is near to top, while the MACD again trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is also looking upwards. Signs are supportive for further bullishness here. Coming to daily. Now before we proceed with daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries, and if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now the first thing is, if you look at the charts, you can find out, see the lows are beautifully connected here. Thus this is very important for oil to trade below 67, 66.8 today. That will be the confirmation of further bearishness here. Else what is happening, prices are trying to move towards 20 period, and this suggests that 68, 68.4 is achievable, and once this is taken, then ideally I will be looking forward to a move towards 70. Notice the rise, then slight consolidation, and then a break here. It is trying to fall back, and once it trades above the median, certainly you can say that the bulls are back, and we can look forward to a V-shaped recovery all the way towards 73, 75 zone. Stochastic is rising. MACD has hit the lows here. It is crossing over for a buy. Good sign, supportive of further bullishness. RSI is rising. Now, considering this, very simple, buy at 67.6, expect 68. And if 68 is taken, expect 68.4. Once 68.4 is taken, I think 68.4, 68.6 level should be a very good resistance here. Beyond this, 69, 69. And if these two levels are taken, chances will be very, very high that 70.2, 70.404 levels should be taken here. Beyond this, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a greater rise towards 72, 73, and in fact higher levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural. Now, natural gas here, if you look at a good bottoming is done at $4 levels, and the resistance at 4.2, 4.25 is pretty strong. It is now pretty clear that gas has to come out of this, because once it comes out of this, either which ways, it is going to deliver a massive move. Ideally, it should be on the upside, but right now I can see a struggle here. Moving averages have converged here. These have not yet crossed over. Stochastic is right now bearish, while the MACD is still in green and looking upwards. The RSI is suggestive of slight bearishness here, looking at the couple of bearish candles. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. Only thing here is, see, this saw the rise, then a V-shaped recovery after the drop, again back into this bullish channel. But here you can see the moving average is crossing over here, which is on the sell side. And right now the momentum is confined within this zone. That's very, very important for net gas to trade above 4.2425 levels, which should be a very good resistance here. The stochastic is at top. The MACD after the crossover trading with bullishness looking upwards. The RSI is running flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, the crossover here is on the sell side, and when you look at the move here, see, it has formed a good support. It is trying to bounce back, it is trying to rise, and yes, 4.2, 4.2425 should be the next strongest resistance. If you see net gas today trading above 4.20, the lower price has to be above 4.20. You can initiate a buying entry. Expect 4.2425. Now see, support from the 20 period moving average is pretty strong, and thus on the downside 4.1514 should be a very good support as well. The stochastic is at top. The MACD, after staying here at bottom, it is now crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. The RSI is comfortable. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, another point here is, see the multiple candles, none of these candles have closed below 4.0605. So very, very good support is created here, and that is the level below which ideally you can say now net gas is turning bearish. Now see what has happened. First of all, the moving average is crossing over here, prices which are trading with divergence and bearishness. After a bit of retracement, one bullish candle has appeared, and now it is trying to break on the upside. Now once it breaks past 4.25, consider that we can look forward to the next move all the way towards 4.4, 4.42 levels. Right now it is struggling to break on the upside. Let's wait for this to confirm the breakout here, and then you can just stay bullish. Stochastic is the top here. Now look at MACD. If you see the MACD after a sharp dip, see drop, retracement, drop, and now it has crossed over. This leads to a little rise here towards the top of the channel, and hence we may see bullishness prevailing in net gas for the next few candles. If you see the RSI, this is trading comfortable here. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement. It is delivering higher lows here and higher highs, keeping itself intact in this bullish channel. Now, if you look at the move here for the last couple of candles, yes, a good support is formed at 4.05, and the resistance on the upside towards 4.2, 4.25 is strong. Also, the day is starting on a, you can see higher lows, and thus once it trades beyond 4.19, in fact, if you see the lower price above 4.19, you can initiate a buying entry here. The stochastic is oversold, but my worry point is the MACD, which is just crossing over, which is not a good sign. Because see, after this crossover has appeared after a series of a stronger bull run, and thus right now it is looking downwards, which suggests that in the near future the net gas might try to take a dip. RSI is running flat. So now looking at this, first is where you should buy. Ideally, you should wait for 4.2425, but those who want to jump in early can buy at 4.2 levels. And once it trades beyond 4.2, you can expect 4.25 and 4.4 levels at the next targets. Now 4.4 to 4.44 is the strongest resistance it might face on the upside. Beyond this, certainly it's a free flow on the upside where 4.5 has to be there, and in fact $5 level should appear. Now on the sell side, I will recommend a selling entry at 4.14 levels. Expect 4.1, 4.0605. If these two levels are taken, then $4 levels. Remember, once NAT gets trades below $4, the next targets are towards 3.94 and in fact 3.8 levels, though appears difficult for today, and thus you should be trading with caution. So trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel membership channel on YouTube to support that. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Do not miss to watch that update.